Bon appetito. That is your spiced rum braised pineapple.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am the two-time Naboxed award-winning Naboxed.
And I am still the one-time Naboxed award-winning Autistic Chef David Leahy.
So, how are you doing, David?
I'm pretty good, thank you. I'm all right.
We were talking and you said you had some news that you wanted to share?
Oh, yes, actually. I am proud to announce that I have released my very first cookbook. The Autistic Chef Cookbook is now on sale at createmycookbook.com.
Yeah, and we'll put the link down below.
Yeah, you can get an online copy, or you get a physical copy. And anyone who brings a physical copy, I will personally sign for anyone. When a physical copy of the book brings it to me, I will sign up for him personally as my way of saying thank you. Anyone knows why I have this? My dad recently passed away, so rest in peace, Dad. All right.
Right.
So today, what are we doing today, Meatbag?
I think we're actually working on 2 videos in the same day, but the first one we're going to do is pineapple with rum.
Spiced rum braised pineapple. Yes.
Yes. So
Let's get to it. By the way, before we start, I'm going to make this very clear. Drinking this in the morning does not make you an alcoholic. It makes you a goddamn pirate. So the word of Jack Sparrow, drink out me hearties, yo-ho. Yeah. Sorry, my arms are like the best in the world. So, cut off the end. Top the top. Now you want to shave off most of the, without taking too much of the meat off it. So, like that. Don't get it all in one spot, it's fine. You can keep following it down all the way. Pretty close. You can go on to the second round if you want to, so just keep cutting down here. There we go. So, I'm going to just use a small knife here. Just cut out little pieces here. And just quickly just carve off any little extra to be taken care of. Pretty easy stuff. So, that's done. So now we're going to cut it into rings, big pieces. Actually, no, we're not. Actually, we still got a few more to do here. Sorry about that. It's not the greatest in the world, but there you go. So now, you bring it over here. We're going to take our frying pan here, cast iron. We're going to fry these up. Just gonna get some color on each side. While we're doing that, we're going to take in our pot here. Pineapple juice. A little bit of brown sugar. It's not really kind of eyeballing the recipe. Sorry, guys, this is my first time doing this, so I'm kind of eyeballing it, so I'm just going to do it this way. Okay. Because I'm a sucker for it. Maple syrup. And yes, no, I've not forgot about the rum. Don't worry, guys. Maple syrup. And the best part of all, the rum. The rum. Here's the fun part. And a little more. I feel like an asshole today. So keep a close eye on these. Just want a nice sear on each side. That's all you want. Nothing. It's a nice sear on each side. I'm gonna throw them right in here. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly just gonna here. Mix this around. My goal, my thought is going to get a little more reduced and going to get a little more thicker. I doubt. We'll see what happens though. I'm gonna grab. You know what I'm gonna do? Help not burn it. I think I found butter. Sweet. Aha. And it hurts. Look at that. Look at that sear on that one though. Isn't that nice? Something like that. Well, not like too sear, but just like nice on the edges. I just want a little bit of brown on the edges kind of thing. Like that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That one goes in. Ooh, that's nice though. Okay, I'm not going to curl myself this time. All three are in. Let this cook down just a tiny bit before I braise it. And let cook this down, just heat it, bring it to the temperature. Then I'm going to put it right in. I'm going to let it come to a boil. Then I'm going to put it in the oven to finish. Take less time, right? Also help the laziness reduce a little bit. That's the trick. It's going to help it reduce. Someone else I worked with did a variation of this with coconut milk. So this is kind of a variation of what he did it, but a little bit different. So hopefully it works out though. Tastes good though so far though. Tastes really good though. Needs a little more maple syrup in my opinion, just a little bit. Who can go wrong with anything with maple syrup, right? I'm such a sucker for maple. I add a little extra rum to it. Needs a little extra rum. Can't really taste the rum, so I add a little extra rum to it. Why not, right?
Rum, Forrest, rum!
Run, Forrest. Oh, that was good. I like that. That was good. Rum, Forrest, rum. We're just going to braise it for about 45 minutes, 45 minutes. Then I'll show you how to plate it when it's done. It's going to be a pretty easy plate. So it's almost at a boil here. I want a hard boil here. I want a really hard boil. It doesn't taste enough rum though. I'm turning into alcoholic, I swear. Alcoholic. I'm an alkie. Alkie. Dangerous alcoholic. Oh, that's good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Put in its tomb. Time to put it in its tomb. Bury the bastard. Oh, shit. And here we go. Arrgh. Oh. So we'll be back in a little bit to finish it. So stay tuned, folks. All right, so we're back, and the pineapple is done. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? It's cooked all the way through, soft. So now we're going to take some of our liquid here, Braised liquid here. Just going to grab a, just gonna grab any little spoon. We don't need much, just need a little bit. I'm using a frying pan because I'm a little bit. You can use a bowl or plate for this, but I'm doing a little bit more. Just want to do it this way. Just want to have a light, just very light on the bottom of your plate here. If you want to, you can reduce this down more if you want to it's like nice and thick. That also works as well. So that's just me though. So now we're gonna get some fun stuff. French vanilla ice cream. Ice cream. My friend, the author on Wheels, John Wood, is gonna be having a live Q&A interview with me, the Autistic Chef, tomorrow at 3 p.m. And we're gonna talk my career and to promote the new book. So that's 3 p.m. Pacific time on the Author on Wheels Facebook page. So feel free to check it out and ask any questions about me and the book. Little caramel. Little toasted coconuts. Ice and sugar. And a little piece of mint. Bon appetito. That is your spiced rum braised pineapple. All right. So that is it. That is the spiced rum braised pineapple. So let's try it. Let's try this son of a bitch. I want to try this now. Let's try this. Oh my god. It just melts. Like, completely comes apart. Oh my god. Absolutely unreal. Oh my god. Unfreaking real. That's so good. Oh my god. That's great. So, till next video, guys. I am the still one-time autistic, the still one-time Nebraska award-winning autistic chef.
And I am the two-time Naboxed award-winning Naboxed.
We'll see you next time. Peace.